Come test drive the 2016 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, USB connection, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.